This item lets you control lightning. From summoning bolts that do massive amounts of damage to slowing enemies who get struck, this item makes whoever wields it a master of lightning. Which is why it sucks that I just lost it. You see, this weapon was so powerful every player on the server wanted it, resulting in my death. And if I wanted to get back my OP lightning powers, I would need to kill the player that picked it up. So when I saw the player alone at spawn, I knew this would be the best shot I had at killing them.
You died?
Yeah, but that lightning's way too OP, bro.
Did you use all your turtle masters that you said?
Bro, what do you mean turtles, bro? Like I had none.
You didn't even bring turtle masters to fight the freaking lightning.
I don't have any skeweds.
Then get some. If you want to win, then you're gonna need it, because you can't even beat it.
I don't have a turtle farm.
Then go steal some, I don't know.
Btav was right. If I wanted to get my lightning powers back, I would need to use turtle master potions. So with this in mind, I headed to a base to steal some
This
skewts.
should have turtle master. Wait. There's someone here. Wait. It's right here. Gosh. Go.
Yeah.
Where did you just go?
I had narrowly escaped with the turtle skewts, but now with my newly obtained turtle master, I was ready for another fight. Alright, let's do this.
go, bro. Oh my gosh.
Now that I had finally killed Rose and gotten my lightning powers back, I decided to use them to dominate the server. After these kills, I can finally declare myself as a master of lightning.